morning, Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome to our humble abode. How is everything going over there for the weekend? This episode is going to be fun. Oh, before I start, you must be saying to yourself, Fumi, what are you wearing? This is an oldie goldie. It's an oldie goldie. It's a size 4 dress that I just said to myself, let me be so bold to see if it fits. The dress fit. I was like, oh wow, can you see my little argyle socks? It's a lovely lemony dress, and like I told you, it's been so fabulous here in London, and I thought, why not wear it? I love this dress. I must have bought this in New York when I first got married. That's how old it is. And I've been married, what, 15, 16 years? So you can imagine. But I'm very happy with myself. I'm like, oh, no tummy. Yeah. We can wear it. Anyway, to my world followers, this is going to be kind of sort of interesting for you guys. And it's going to be lots of fun. But I wanted to run through this skit I'm going to put up for you and explain to you, because you might not understand the language right away. Yeah? Okay. So it's from my beautiful country, Nigeria. How na dey? I dey miss una. I dey miss una so very much. When I see things like this, I just miss Nigeria. I miss the marketplace. I miss agbalumo, plantain, jollof rice, fried rice, moi moi. Oh my God, all of my favorites. I just miss going out at night, you know, in your ashwebi to parties and stuff like that. I miss you all, but here I am. Anyway, Nigeria is lit. Lagos is lit. It is alive and going, and there are all kinds of things that happen in the marketplace, and you can buy Chanel bag lookalikes and stuff like that. Nigerians are traders. They bring in a lot of stuff from all over the world. So in this instance, we have a trader who has bought all kinds of false designer bags. Yeah. And we have a customer who has bought a bag and was in the process of buying a second bag. I think what had happened was she had paid for this bag and she was coming into the store to pick up the bag as well as buy a second bag. Yeah? Are you with me? Alrighty. So when girlfriend comes into the store to pick up her bag, the trader is getting her bag ready. And that entails what? Looking into the bag, putting in stuffing, putting it into another bag so that she can hand it over, blah, blah, blah. Well, the trader opened the bag just to check through and make sure, because it was like a cross-body backpack kind of a bag. I have something like that too. You know, these little cute backpacks that you can put your little wallet, you know, you can put your little lipstick, phone and everything. It's not the big backpack, it's a small one, but like a crossbody, you know, leather. It looked like leather or faux leather, I don't know. And then of course she had like a faux Chanel bag as well. But the trader put her hand inside the bag. What was to come out shocked everybody. Now, mind you, the customer had already paid for this bag. The trader puts her hand in the bag. What comes out? A necklace, jewelry. It looked real. And also what? $1,000. And so once the money came out, the customer said, that's my money, that's my bag. The trader said, no. As a matter of fact, I no longer want to sell this bag to you. I will give you back your money and I will keep the bag because the bag contains the $1,000. This was sent to me by my friend and said, Fumi, what do you think about this? So I want you to watch it and then we'll come back. And I also want you to tell me down in the comment section what you think. But this is how it goes down sometimes in the marketplace. I'm telling you, forever exciting.
This thing, maybe Nigerians will judge me. You see me, I don't like problem. So I opened this bag bill, as you can see. Okay. So this lady, is somebody that I even know. She came. She called me that she wants to buy bags. She came and bought bags. Now this bag, are you sure you are videoing this thing? These bags, she has already bought this bag. Actually, she has paid for it, 4,000 naira. Now, at the point of giving her the bag, because normally that's what I even tell my guests. No, not there. Where are you people?
Madam, wait.
No, madam, don't tell me. Hold on. Madam, hold on. Hold on.
Do you realize that I've paid for this bag already?
I know.
So what are you saying?
Calm down. There's something I'm trying to...
I'm calm.
Calm down.
I'm calm.
Thank you. Please, you have brought light. So now, what I'm saying now is that she has bought fine and good. She has paid for the bag. These are the 2 bags she wanted to collect. So now, this particular bag now, she now said this is the one she will pay for. Collecting this bag now, I say okay, because normally we search, when we want to sell anything in this shop, is there any time we don't search bags? No. We search bags. We even clothes sometimes when we have chance, we search it. Because sometimes we find things inside. So this one now, I say okay, let me search before giving her the bag. I brought her this thing and this lady saw this money inside. Bring that man, see what it is inside. So we saw this. I see this one.
No, wait.
I don't understand.
Wait, it was inside the bag.
So I don't understand. Is it your bag? Okay, it's okay.
Madam.
It's okay. So sorry. It's okay. Sorry for my tune. Now we saw this money inside the bag. I've not even checked. This one self don't.
You see?
Now she dey drag am. Now this thing 30 in the first place. So we saw this money inside this bag. Now the thing is that she is saying is her stuff.
No,
because
our own now.
I tell her because she.
How is it your own?
It's our pay now.
Now that I've paid the money without even your consent, you did not even know you had something like this. How is it your own?
But we used to check now. So anything that is inside is our own.
Madam, please. This one that you are saying now is your own business. Because give me back when I don't pay money. I don't want to drag anything with you.
Okay, I know no. Please, I'm not hearing Akwa Ibom. Okay, I'm not selling the bag again. Yeah. Abi?
You go to lie.
No, sell the bag again.
You never refund money give me before. No. Madam, not to make I drag you.
I don't understand. I don't understand.
For this bag. Please kindly give me this bag.
Okay, give her bag what she paid for. Give her bag what she paid for.
Like, are you kidding me?
How am I going to do it?
No. Madam,
wait. Leave.
No do. I beg. No do am. No be you are from pay money. No do am.
Shame.
No,
Hold what? Are you alright? Hold what?
our money.
Which money?
Did I put
Have you touched dollar before?
Did I put your
mouth? Have you touched dollar before?
This one.
Come and touch now. Let me see, Madam. I beg.
I don't understand. Which kind of talk is that one,
Madam?
Which kind? I don't understand.
I
don't understand.
You don't do one. You see my face.
I don't understand.
I see what. Give me money. Make I go. I beg.
I see $1,000 my bag.
Mom, give her this one now. Make she carry this one.
This thing is not play now. You people should stop it. This thing is not play.
Mama, waiting me at the talk. They say if she no one carry the bag, you no one sell again.
Okay, wait. The bag now my own, Abi. I could choose not to sell. No be so. I will not sell it now.
Not for yourself. No worry.
Can this thing be that one? Who you want call?
Wait now.
You go call now. When you make your call, me too, I make my own call.
Relax now.
No wahala. Make your call, me too, I make my own call. Which kind of thing is that one?
Man, this money now, how much now?
This thing almost 2 million.
Are you serious?
She say no.
Mama for me, be 1 point. $1 is how much now?
Man, she know how much things are. My height.
Video you wait till she dey talk.
As I buy that bag now, finish. I don't pay money. I am calm. I'm calm. But you
come carry. You see, something when we say my life don't change.
Bag what she don't pay for.
I bet carry. Don't pay for the bag.
That's okay. Now the bag. I say okay. You wait. This money now.
If you don't want to say I want my
Yes, I said that bag with where is that necklace? There is who carried? I don't want find necklace.
Who think she dey report? Who she dey report? What's happened?
Mama, where did the necklace now?
Go and ask her.
I don't understand.
You gave it to somebody.
Esther.
Esther, don't lost so.
Now wait the necklace. You don't give me necklace, so.
I did not give you.
No, I just got that money here.
And they haven't collected the necklace.
Do you see what I'm talking about? Oh God. This happened to me. As a matter of fact, I'm still looking for £1,000. I put it somewhere and I don't know where I put it. I hid it so well that I don't know where I've hidden it. It's the African in me. Sometimes I get my relatives and they give me money. Fumi, take 1,000. Yes, for Adrian, take this 100, 200, 500, whatever. Because they haven't seen Adrian all this time, blah, blah, blah. For whatever reason, or they pay me in cash. A lot of my Nigerian friends pay me in cash. Because Africa is a cash community. Who is that? Oh God, I have to answer. Ola said that you go. Thank you, baby. So because of that, I hide it in one place or the other until I can go to the bank, or I'll give it to Ula to drop and put it in the bank because Adrian has his own account. So this is very common. The customer is a thief. It's not hers. She bought the bag, and if they had not looked into it, she would have gotten away with $1,000, which could be what? I'm sure that's more than ₦1 million. What was it? Anything interesting? Okay. So it comes to 1.5 million naira. That's what it comes to. Girlfriend would have, she spent what, 4,000 naira? 4,000 naira to buy the bag, but she would have walked away with 1.5 million naira. Now, is it the traders? It's not the traders. This belongs to whomever she bought that bag from. Remember, I told you that they travel internationally. And so that person, just like me, must have put it in the bag and forgotten it there. And so now, as you saw, it is the struggle of the 1.5 million. That's how I look at it. You guys, let me know down in the comment section, who does this money belong to? And I did this because whomever sold that bag to this lady, she got your $1,000. So you go out there and collect your coin. I believe fair is fair. Fair is fair. Or she splits it with the customer. But I don't see how. Well, yes, because if she hadn't looked into it, it would have been the customers, and then it would have been a pleading situation of give me half of the money. I don't know, baby. But it does not belong to either one of them. But for sure, it does not belong to the customer. I was so upset at how it ended because I wanted to know how it all fell apart. I don't know, child. I don't know. All I know is that they were out there in those streets fighting, and there was also a necklace attached. I loved it so very much. I just really wanted to share it with you guys. To tell you what can go down in the marketplace sometimes. All right, my darlings.